Back in the building, man. Fire Ass Food TV, we back. It's been a long time. I couldn't find no Fire Ass Food TV. You know what I'm saying? The new year just hit. You know what I'm saying? I ain't say Happy New Year to y'all, but Happy New Year. The new year just hit, and I was getting ready to get some Fire Ass food to go ahead and try for y'all. But guess what happened? You right. I got sick, and I've been sitting at the crib for 10 whole days sick, man. I wasn't feeling good, but guess what? For real, I wasn't feeling good for like maybe a good 3 or 4 days because I was trying this concoction right here. I'm gonna show y'all what it is, and you gonna know. It might help you, it might not, but I'm gonna let you know what it is. All right, so there's this concoction that I came across and I gotta give credit where credit is due. It's from Alkaline Vegan Mommy. All right, Alkaline Vegan Mommy. She got a Facebook page, Instagram, YouTube, all of that. She got a lot of good recipes and everything. So I decided I wanted to try this concoction because she said this will help you if you sick. You got to stay home for 2 weeks. This might help you. So this is what I did, all right? So what I got right here is... So I got this ginger root right here. Some key limes. They rolling away from me. Some of these key limes. Look at them. Straight up key. They small. They ain't the regular limes. They key limes. Got some organic cayenne pepper. Some whole cloves. Make sure they whole. Not them powdered cloves. Some whole cloves. Alright. Some of that blue agave sweetener. This is all natural, organic blue agave sweetener. I don't know if I'm saying it right. I might be agave, I don't know. And then I got this, some spring water. Need some spring water. Don't get that purified mess. Get some real spring water because it's more alkaline to it. All right, so first off, they ask, you know what I'm saying, with this ginger root right here, do we gotta, you gotta skin the ginger root? Can you leave the ginger root skin on? I don't know. It's whatever your preference is. If you decide to skin the ginger root, this is one of the easiest methods that you might be able to do it with. All right. So you're gonna get this spoon right here, right? And you're gonna go ahead and skin it just like that. I'm gonna show you real quick. All right. So you take this spoon and you just start peeling that skin off. If you want to skin it off. All right, if you want to skin it out, it's gonna take me all day to do this, so I can't show you the whole process, and I ain't gonna skin the whole thing off. You know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna I don't feel like doing it because you might be sick. You might be sick sitting at the crib, coughing, chest hurting, head hurting. You know what I'm saying? Can't breathe, none of that. You don't feel like doing all this work, muscle pain, so you might just want to clean it off. All right, so check this out. If you just want to clean it off, hey, just run that water real good, right? Run that water, and then brush. Make sure all that nasty dirt is brushed off that thing. All right, just make sure it's all brushed off. All right, so next thing you want to do, you want to get these limes, you know what I'm saying? We'll get these little key limes, and you want to juice the key limes. Now, you probably like, all right, I ain't got no juice, and I don't even know how I'm going to do that, all right? So, this is a little easy method you want to do it, right? I'm going to show you real quick, all right? So, you want to take the key lime, right? Just place it on a nice, good, flat surface, and then just start rolling it all over the place real good, right? And what that's going to do, that's going to make sure it's going to be easy to juice. All right, so you're just gonna roll that key lime real good. Just roll it. You're gonna roll it down the river. Oh yeah, now you're just gonna roll that key lime real good and hard. Put all that elbow grease into that key lime while you rubbing it, right? Just rub real good. All right. All right. Now that we done rolled up the key limes, you know what I'm saying? We done got cleaned off the ginger root. We're gonna go ahead and put the all the ingredients in the pot and get it to work. All right, so let me show you what's next on this concoction that's gonna help you feel better fast like I did. All right, so go ahead, drop the ginger in the pot. Bam, just like that. They sitting up in the pot, they ain't moving. All right, next, go ahead and squeeze that key lime juice up in there. I'm about to say lemon, but that key lime juice, right? Because you done rolled it up so the juice will come out real good, right? See, I'm trying to hold the camera at the same time, but hold up. See, I got these, I got this in my hand. So what I'm gonna do, hold on real quick. You might not have enough strength to use your hands, right? So you wanna use that. Squeeze that real good. See how that juice come out there? I don't know if you see it good. Oh, some seeds have popped out. And all that juice. It's hard to see. I ain't got the HD. I ain't got 4K. You have to see what it is. But this is how you do it, all right? You get the key limes in there, all right? All right, then you go ahead and throw your whole cloves up in that thing. You know what I'm saying? Throw a little dab of the whole cloves. You see what I'm saying? Then you want to make sure you got a pinch. Oops, that was a little bit too much. Damn. A little bit too much. But you're going to pour a pinch of that cayenne pepper. I got organic. You can use whatever you choose. But I use that organic. Try to make it the best way it could be. Then it's blue agave sweetener. Or you use regular agave. You know what I'm saying? As long as it's agave, you don't want no sugar, right? Throw that in there. All right. Then, damn, I'm messing up, man. Then you want to go ahead and get your spring water, right? Go ahead and get your spring water poured in there. I'm pouring a whole bottle in there because I done put a little bit too much of that cayenne pepper, right? Pour that in there. You know what I'm saying? Pour the whole bottle up in there. Then turn that bad boy on boil. All right, turn it on boil. And let that thing. All right, you see we got it boiling. We got that good long rolling boil. All right, we're gonna go ahead and pour it up in the mug. All right. We'll pour it up. Pour it up. Yeah. Get all that in there. Okay, so this right here is what helped me, I believe helped me get a lot better faster when I had to stay home for 10 days. I ain't gonna tell you what I got. And I ain't even gonna say, you know what I'm saying? Like, I ain't no doctor. I ain't no medical professional. You know what I'm saying? This worked for me, all right? I had headaches, like feel like migraines. You know what I'm saying? Nausea, throwing up. You know what I mean? Stomach hurting, diarrhea, coughing like crazy, sore throat, and I was drinking this 3 times a day. All right, this is ginger cloves, or your whole cloves, cayenne pepper, spring water, key lime juice, and some agave. Throw all that in there, put it in a pot, boil it up. And I got this from Alkaline Vegan Mommy. All right, I'ma tag her links in the description so you know what she has. She got a whole bunch of good alkaline recipes and things like that. But this right here helped. I was good in 3-4 days, feeling better. You know what I'm saying? So it's let me just taste it real quick. Oh yeah, still a little hot, and it's spicy. So you want to put some good cayenne pepper in there. You want to make sure you got good in there. You want to have all the good ingredients in there to make sure it hit that throat, hit that whole immune system and all that, and try to help you feel better, right? Some people don't like taking regular medicine. I feel you on that. Some people take it. So you might want to add to it. We're using this. You might not. I don't know. Do what you do. But this helped me. And if I ever get sick again, I got to stay at the crib for 10 straight days. I'm doing this again, all right? Fire Ass Food TV, all right? Be out on the lookout. We coming out with some whole, I'm going to try some whole new different types of foods, all right? I had this product I've been waiting on for a minute. I had this food I've been waiting on for a minute, but it finally came in right on time for the new year, and I got sick, so I couldn't even get right to do the video on it. But the next video, I'm gonna show y'all what it is, and y'all gats to check it out when it come out. I don't know. I might do it today, might do it tomorrow, might do it. I don't know. I might do it sometime, but I'm gonna do it. So y'all better make sure y'all subscribe, follow, like, share all the pages. Fire Ass Food TV, and you're gonna see what it is and what it do. All right. Like I said, I've been chilling at the crib, drinking this nice little ginger tonic. You know what I'm saying? Throat don't hurt no more. Head straight. I can get back outside. I can go outside now, man. I can go outside now. Yeah. All right. But one love. I'll holler at y'all later. All right. Out.